The OHAUS Frontier 5306 may be compact, but it delivers a powerful performance when it comes to quick and easy liquid separation. Let's unbox it and take a look at what's included in the package. Inside, you'll find the unit itself, an instruction manual, a power supply, a rotor, and a few essential accessories. To get started, connect the power supply to the unit and plug it into a power source. Before turning it on, open the lid and remove the protective foam holding the rotor in place. Next, place 2 balanced microtubes on the rotor. Close the lid and press the switch to power it up to see if it's working properly. Now let's compare its performance to other mini-centrifuges, starting with noise level. The Frontier 5306 is noticeably quieter, thanks to its brushless motor and vibration-absorbing rubber base. Let's see how it handles an unbalanced load. While the other units continue to spin, the Frontier 5306 automatically shuts off, an important safety feature. Speaking of safety, let's find out which unit offers the best protection. Only the OHAUS Frontier 5306 features dual safety switches that immediately stop the rotor if the lid is open during use. For added ease of use, the rotor can be quickly attached or removed using the central locking mechanism.